When you think about building a mobile app, most people imagine long hours of coding, debugging, and jumping between frameworks. But what if that entire process could be replaced by a simple conversation with an AI? What if you could type in your idea and the system instantly generates your app, complete with screens, logic, backend, and even deployment-ready builds? That's the world Tile.dev is trying to create. And today, we're going to explore whether it truly delivers on that promise. Welcome back to AI Ledger X, the channel where we break down the most innovative AI tools shaping the future of creation, productivity, and digital business. Tile.dev positions itself as an AI-powered mobile app builder designed to help anyone, whether a founder, creator, or beginner, build real native mobile apps without writing code. And I want to emphasize real apps, because Tile.dev doesn't give you some generic website or a limited template. It builds actual mobile applications with real UI components, back-end logic, and exportable code. That's what makes this platform stand out in an ocean of generic no-code builders. When you describe your idea, the system interprets your prompt and constructs a full app structure around it. Think of it as talking to an engineer who instantly understands your requirements and builds your first version in minutes. And while Tile.dev gives you a powerful no-code environment, it does not trap you in a walled garden. Behind everything is clean React Native code generated for you. And yes, you can export it. That means you fully own your app. You can download the codebase, customize it further with your developers, or deploy it using your own infrastructure. For solo creators, this means you can ship apps without knowing how to code. And for development teams, it speeds up the entire prototyping and development pipeline. Your app becomes more than an idea. It becomes a real, scalable code base you can build upon. What's especially impressive is how Tile.dev handles deployment. In the traditional world of app development, getting an app ready for the App Store or Google Play often becomes a nightmare. Certificates, build tools, signing workflows, errors, you name it. Tile.dev aims to simplify all of this with their one-click deployment pipeline. Once your app is ready, you can package it and prepare it for submission without touching any complicated build tools. For many people, this alone eliminates weeks of frustration. Now let's talk about who Tile.dev is really for. If you're a non-technical founder or entrepreneur trying to bring your idea to life, Tile.dev can be a massive shortcut. You can go from concept to usable demo in a single day. If you're an indie creator or solopreneur, you can build side projects, generate income streams, or experiment without burning time or money. If you're a designer or product manager, you can create interactive prototypes long before engineering starts. And if you're a developer, Tile.dev becomes a speed boost. Now let's talk about who Tile.dev is really for. If you're a non-technical founder or entrepreneur trying to bring your idea to life, Tile.dev can be a massive shortcut. You can go from concept to usable demo in a single day. If you're an indie creator or solopreneur, you can build side projects, generate income streams, or experiment without burning time or money. If you're a designer or product manager, you can create interactive prototypes long before engineering starts. And if you're a developer, Tile.dev becomes a speed booster, letting you skip boilerplate setup and jump directly into the interesting, custom parts of your app. It's rare to see a platform work well for beginners and experts, but Tile.dev seems to manage that balance. Imagine creating a fitness tracking app, a journaling app, a simple marketplace, a booking app for salons, a subscription-based learning platform, a meditation timer, or even a full social community, all without touching traditional code. And because Tile.dev exports real code, any of these apps can evolve into production-level products without starting from scratch. This is where the platform truly shines. It's not just for prototypes, it can become the foundation for actual businesses. Tile.dev feels like the beginning of AI-first app development, a future where writing code is optional, not mandatory. A future where you can generate, edit, and deploy apps with a mix of natural language, visual tools, and intelligent automation. And if the pace of innovation continues, we might soon reach a point where entire apps, complex, scalable, high-performance apps, are created in minutes instead of months. So the real question becomes, is Tile.dev the future of app building? For many creators, entrepreneurs, and developers, the answer might already be yes. The platform lowers the barrier to entry, accelerates development cycles, and makes it possible for anyone to bring their vision to life without waiting for a team or learning an entire tech stack. And that's a powerful shift. A shift that could reshape the entire software landscape. If you want a complete walkthrough or a real-time build demo using Tile.dev, let me know in the comments. I'd love to create a step-by-step video where we design an app from scratch and test how well the AI handles real-world requirements. And if you want more AI tool breakdowns, future of tech insights, and deep dives like this one, make sure you subscribe to AI Ledger X. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.